Well, it's Mandevilla Mania at the TPIE show, and boy, we have 5 awesome introductions and swept the awards for favorite new flowering plants. So for the trade show goers, the 2 favorite new flowering plants are Bluephoria. Look at this gorgeous shades of pink, blue, and purple. Bluephoria, the way the colors change, you'll just be mesmerized and experience Bluephoria. And then we got the FiredUp orange, this natural born thriller variety. Perfect for the center of a large planter all summer long. Just amazing. Real showstopper. And then we also, from a jury of 3 independent garden retailers, they do the Cool Products Awards, and they just couldn't decide. So all 3 got it. Both Bluephoria, FiredUp Orange, and ta-da, Mauvelous. Mauvelous was also been a huge hit at the show. People really love the pixelated pattern and coloring. Truly unique designer color, Mauvelous, which has been on the market in Europe as Flamingo Pink. Plus, we also have the Floristar winner. This is Double Pink Blush. First double flower in a Diplodenia type. Isn't that just really elegant? Look at those glossy leaves. And another really gorgeous one. Yeah, there's lots of red ones, but wow, look at this ravishing red, this new Sundinia red improved. Really large blooms on the Diplodenia habit. So there you have it, Mandevilla Mania at the TPIE show.